Ready to go. Clap with me. No. You go. Just do it.
Ooh.
Well then.
I'm scared something's gonna like pop out.
Oh. Oh.
What is this? It looks like swimming toys.
Definitely looks like
It's a game.
I think I might know a little bit of what this is, but a lot of it I don't.
It must be a prank because it's like a clown nose.
It is. Looks like an ice cream sundae.
This looks like a cupcake.
What?
Like little lunar landers.
Oh.
It had like a suction.
Get a good echo if you put this on your head. Just
Echo?
say something. Now talk.
Something. Ooh, yeah, I like that.
Beans?
Oh shoot.
They go together, but why are there so many?
Could a water bottle? Water bottle?
Oh, water? Water.
Water.
Water. What?
Water.
A water bottle?
Water. Water. Like what? What?
You say water
What?
in Ohio. Water.
What?
Water.
Water?
Is it like a water bottle?
Something with some
Salad.
type of bottle. What are your plants with? What's your plants with it?
You got something there?
Yeah.
Ooh, that feels good.
Oh.
That's like one of those head massages.
Yeah.
It looks like one of those old cookie presses that my mother used to make at Christmas
No,
time.
this is for the barber, and you put your cones in it.
See that? See that reach?
No, you don't
See
got
that
T-Rex
T-Rex
arms. What are you
reach?
talking about?
It could be like Jenga, and you have to. It's like a game. You have to like stack them up.
I just think they're just little
And then when they
food,
fall over, you have to eat them.
like little food trophy displays.
You could build a tower of cones, perhaps?
It's like a tree. That's beautiful, Angelo.
Do you think I could trick my kids into having like
I think
a
you
fruits
should-
and
I think
vegetable
you
ice
should
cream
be
cone
that,
instead of
like-
actual ice
I
cream?
think you
I
should.
don't even know how to get this out of here. Should we feed each other like it's our
I'm
wedding
not
day?
eating this.
Is it a
just
whipped
like-
cream maker?
Flip it cap.
It's a flip it cap.
This looks like you would put a bottle of ketchup or something in here if it's like at the end of it, and then you would have it
I like that
upside
because you
down.
always get to the bottom and you're like, well.
Yeah.
Are we supposed to shake this and whip it? Oh, oh, this airs it. Doot, 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 doot.
Nothing's gonna happen. It's just milk.
3 hours later.
What are you gonna do with that now?
We're gonna see if it works.
See, here
What's
we
happening
go.
here?
Flip it over.
Oh, it doesn't
not
fit.
one. Just look. That's why you have multiple threads and multiple sizes.
It's getting. I'm like really excited. Maybe that's why.
Oh, you gonna pipe some whipped cream. You deserve every second of.
That's amazing. We just made whipped cream.
We made whipped cream.
Oh!
Mm-hmm. Good job.
And then it like all collects at the bottom of the container, so it's easier to get out.
Yeah, so you got the most of it. That's cool.
That's a good idea.
I like that
I
one.
feel like I could use this for even like toothpaste.
Or shampoo.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Oh my god, what if you put it on makeup? Like a makeup bottle? What is this called? Flip it cap.
So it's a whipped cream maker.
Woo-hoo. That was fun.
Sicky high five.